Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to power button on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find additional settings option. Now here we have to click on the button shortcuts, and here at the bottom, as you can see, we have press and hold the power button for half second to turn on Google Assistant. So now look, when we hold our power button, here is our Google Assistant, and that's it. As you can see, it's working. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!